VEED versus Adobe Premiere Rush usage experience. In this video, I'll be comparing two popular video editing tools, VEED and Adobe Premiere Rush. If you're interested in trying them out for yourself, I've included links to both products in the description below. Let's dive into the comparison. VEED and Adobe Premiere Rush are both aimed at users looking for straightforward, user-friendly video editing solutions, but they cater to slightly different needs. VEED is a browser-based tool designed for quick, easy editing without the need for powerful hardware. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who needs to create videos on the go. The platform offers basic features like trimming, cutting, adding subtitles, and applying filters, all within an intuitive interface. It also supports team collaboration, making it great for quick content creation, social media posts, and other short-form video projects. One of VEED's standout features is its simplicity. You don't need to install anything, and it works directly in your web browser. On the other hand, Adobe Premiere Rush is a more feature-packed solution that brings some of Adobe Premiere Pro's power to a simpler interface. It's available for both desktop and mobile, making it versatile for editing across different devices. Premiere Rush offers multi-track editing, color correction, and audio mixing features, which provide more control over the final product. It also integrates well with other Adobe Creative Cloud tools, making it a good choice for those already invested in the Adobe ecosystem. For more advanced users, it offers more flexibility, but it might come with a steeper learning curve compared to VEED. When it comes to pricing, VEED operates on a freemium model with additional features available through paid plans. Adobe Premiere Rush, meanwhile, offers a subscription-based model, which can be a bit pricier in the long run, especially if you don't need all the features. In conclusion, if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss editing tool that works straight from your browser, VEED is a great option. However, if you need more control and advanced features, especially for cross-device editing, Adobe Premiere Rush is a better fit. Check out the links in the description below to get started with either platform.